Hello everyone. So this video is about PLTR, which is traded in the US stock market, and I'm going to show you the HFT performance on PLTR on the last expiry day, that is on 30th May. And why did I suddenly choose this one? So I just saw that it was trending on Twitter, and so that's why I picked it up. And again, nothing like unusual, or it's not like it worked, and that's why I'm showing you. So you can refer to my live streams and the past live streams where I have done many live streams, mostly daily, and showed you that how nicely it can catch reversals. Okay, and again, let's come back to this one. So first, those who are new, like if you don't know the rules, you have to look at these two videos, especially this high probability one. And now in short, like you would see four colors. We only follow the light red, which is the call writing, and the light green, which is the put writing. And again, we don't follow the deep green, which is call buying, and deep red, which is put buying. Okay, and again, it's like in real time, like it all happens in real time, so there is no delay or anything. So again, if you want to see the live performance of the indicators, so just go and check it out. Like even last day also, when we were live, and like almost every day, so it caught many reversals. Okay, so just refer to them and you will understand. And now let's look at on PLTR the last 2 days, and also you can very well see the like the expiry day, it's 30th. Okay, so all we can do is now replay mode, and again, so this is just to show that like our algo is not only working in the Indian stock market, it's also working in the US stock market as well, in catching the big institutional positions in real time. Okay, so we'll go with 3x, and again, let's start. So here you can see like put writing happened. We don't follow these deep trade. Okay, again here some put writers, and again the charts are bending. Okay, and again, like all I'm saying is like you will say that now the market is over, anyone can say anything, but again, we were live even the last Friday also, the last 40 to 50 minutes, and go and check it out. I think two reversals were caught on Nifty itself, so during the live market hours. So again, it's not like I'm bragging about my indicator after the market hours or something. So this is again the day before expiry. Okay, so 29th. So the main volatility came on 30th, where it like pumped up and then dumped and again pumped up. Okay, so that's why like it's trending and everyone is talking about. Okay, guys, you can see like almost at the bottom it's catching the reversals, and that's the specialty of the HFT Algo Scanner. So the bigger the positions, like the better it works out, the reversals works out, and from almost the exact bottom. And also you can hover over the bars and also get to know the fund flow as well. So again, here also a big chunk happened, and yeah, so now we are entering the the main day, the expiry day. So here some call writers pushed it down, and then again put writers pushed it up, and you see all happened right at the bottom. And while it was again like just stopped for some moment, again put writers came in. Okay, and again we don't follow these deep green, as I've already told you. And again call writing. Okay, so as you can see, right, almost right at the top, call writing happened. Now here you would say put writing also happened, yes, but again if you notice at this region mostly call writing happened. Okay, and also what you can do is you can like once call writing happens, you can wait for the sell signal on the smart trend. We don't go with all the sell or buy signals on the smart trend. So we first analyze with respect to the HFT, and then we go with a similar signal on the smart trend. And now again, out of all these put writing, as you can see, this was a very big one. Okay, And again, like the put writers are definitely trying their best, and yeah, so they did their best, and then after that, like again it pumped up. Okay, so it all happened. I know the results, yes, of course, but yes, I'm just showing you the performance. Okay, so again, those who have any doubt, okay, so just refer to the live streams. Yes, I haven't done any live streams for the US stock market because I don't personally trade there, but yes, for Nifty and Bank Nifty, just go and check out, and even Sensex as well. So, and also other stocks we like showed in the live stream. So yes, again, as you saw, like those put writers pumped it up, and that was the final one. So even while pumping, also these put writers came in to further pump it up. So again, that's it, and yes, so that's the beauty of this HFT Algo Scanner, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.